Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RBIZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning and go ahead and get rid of that line right there. Sure, it still pertains, just not relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion and clutter because there's lines all over the place. So let's just try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, comes about based on a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And this brings a tear to my eye as somebody that loves charts. I mean, talk about just a prime example of something you could throw into a textbook. Like I said, when they're broken, it was broken right there. They tend to act as support. And you can see that not only once, but twice, the price held perfectly right there around 0047. So that is certainly, the ideal level of support going forward. Ideal meaning that would make the chart look the best. With that being said, though, in the event the price falls below 0047, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, because you still have the purple line right here, the 50-period moving average, and as the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher as time goes by. So very simply, very easy way to just monitor the health of the price. The purple line, as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in 100% control of the chart. What about levels of resistance? As things stand right now, party stop today up there at 0064. So 0064, simple as that, is going to be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, I think I said this in yesterday's video, but I'll continue to say it. Resistance levels really don't matter, because when you stop and think about it, as long as the price keeps on doing what it's been doing in regards to building higher bases, if you want to picture those as stair steps, then over time, these stair steps, assuming they're getting higher and higher, will continue to take care of everything else, including breaking levels of resistance. So just focus on building higher lows, and then you can just sit back and enjoy the trend. So another nice day today. As long as the price keeps putting in those higher lows, that's the name of the game. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.